Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video, right? Today, since we got first off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? But, so we got an unboxing today, and so since we got an unboxing, and the unboxing is from Stylecraft, I actually do not know what I have in that box, but I thought I'll just review this real quick. It is the new version of the Stylecraft UNO 9,000 RPM. So the big thing was a lot of people were saying that this one have 9,000 RPM, but it's supposed to be stronger. But this one also have 9,000 RPM. So rotations per minute or whatever, they both are at the same. But this motor is a lot stronger, right? And you can feel it once you cut it on. You can feel it when you're using it. You can see it once you're going against the grain and taking the hair off. So this is the UNO 2.0. It is the same design. The main difference is the power in the motor and that USB-C charging, which you got the charging dock that come along with it that I actually have not been using, because with the USB-C charging cables and stuff, you got a lot that can connect to one charger. So that is a benefit if you do want to upgrade to this one versus the original one is the charging port. Instead of having multi different charging ports, if you got a USB-C, you can just use that, plug it right in there, get your charge. So is it worth the upgrade? I think it's like $10 extra. This is $65. So if you're looking to try something different, yes. Is it worth the upgrade? Maybe. Now, if you don't have a single foil and you're looking to buy one, I would skip this one, even though it's a little bit cheaper, and go ahead and jump to the 2.0. A little bit more power. Again, the USB-C cable, save you some time and save you some space on having multiple charging cables all over your station and stuff like that, which I am a fan of. As y'all know, I use a lot of different products, so I do have a lot of cords and stuff different places. So to save on the junk space, it is pretty good. And of course, use my discount code Cuss by Reggie, save you some money. But as far as big differences, that is the only two difference. The matte finish, the color, they both red, but the color, the material surrounding of it, the coating of it is different. But like I said, if you already using the UNO single foil shaver, I don't necessarily think you have to upgrade. But if you don't have a single foil and you're looking to try one, I would definitely jump up and go ahead and get the 2.0 from Stylecraft. But all right, so I came in today and people are on I got a few other boxes over here too, but I did cut it open, but I did not see what was in it, right? So on top, it do look like we got an apron. So we'll open that and see what that's hitting on. So you do got the apron. It's pretty much the same build as the one I have on now from Illusion. Different material. A lot thicker actually. So versus the mesh, the material I have on now. But put that together. Anyway, that came in there. So an apron. But the main thing is this box here. This here. I opened it, thought I might know what it was, but when I seen the box, I didn't. So I actually thought it was gonna be and it still could be. I thought it was gonna be the Rebel with the different colors, and it still might be. If we open this and that's what it is, then hey, I got what I was thinking it was. But I don't know. So let's see what we got in this box. Take this plastic off. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So Instinct X. So I have not seen these. I did see a little clip of Filthy Blends holding one, but I didn't know what they was going to be. But that is the Instinct X. Black diamond carbon blade, custom click lever, 4 hours of cordless runtime, extreme power. Okay, 11,500 strokes per minute. Fully adjustable blade, additional housing. The 3 different the face plates, of course. Answer that in a minute. You get the different face plates. It does have the vector motor on there. So if y'all do know, or if y'all don't know, if I can find it now, the Instincts have actually been my go-to clipper for a little while since they actually came out. So having a different style, different look, 2 hours of recharge. Anyway, I'm if y'all can see, I'm surprised by the box. It kind of got an ergo look to them, but we're gonna open them up to see what they actually hitting on. It's a now taking pre-orders through November 15th, shipping orders November 16th through the 21st, official launch December 1st. Discount code Cuts by Reggie. All right, so that's all that's in here. Well, let's open these up. Let's see what it come with. Again, 11,000 RPM, 11,500 RPM. We'll take the machine out. I do like that all black. We'll set that to the side for a second. As far as price, I don't see a price on here, but if I find out before I upload the video, I will put it at the bottom of the screen. But again, use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. You're gonna save some money anyway. So it come with the all black, and then it got the red and the white covered separately. Different style of charging stand. I mean, it looks the same technically, but it's a different build. It does come with the white double magnetic guard, so that's cool. Of course, the screwdriver, the different levers, the stretch bracket, of course. Shout out to Filthy Blends, the charging cable, and then charging block. But let's get to this machine. Where did I place the machine? Did I set it down somewhere? Forgot where I put that thing. All right. So that is the machine. It is a small ergo almost. A little bit longer than the Instinct, but we'll focus on that later. It does come with the original fade blade. It do not have the vapor blade on there. Still have the click lever. Yeah, you can feel it a little bit smooth. Like I said, click lever. I do like that design. It's almost like what's the movie? What is the movie where they got one day to kill everybody off and blah blah blah, and then boom. Why can't I think of the name of that movie? But anyway, that's what it kind of puts you in the mind state of, and especially like with this little look here and all that stuff. But that is the design of that. Again, like I said, it do look like kind of an ergo, but it does not have the ergo build to it. So it does put you in the mind of that, but it is a little different. Again, with the fade blade, we are going to put this to work. Again, the Instincts has been my #1 clipper that I've been using for a little while. I've also still been using the JRL, which we will talk about the JRL. I got the Blair guard on there right now, but I have been using the JRL, but these have been my go-to at the moment. Those are what I've been loving lately, but we're gonna see if we need to keep the fade blade on it or switch it to the vapor blade. I have been liking the vapor blade, but y'all can y'all see that it say Instinct on there? Instinct X thumbnail, right? But again, we're gonna put that to use. It does come with its own again, the different lids come with the double magnetic guards. So it is the same package to an extent, but it does come with a different type of, it's like a Halloween, like, matter of fact, today of me filming this, it is Halloween. So, but They should have like put them out for Halloween for everybody. But anyway, but didn't know what was to expect out that box. But we did get the quick review of the Uno. Is it worth it? Yes, but if you already got the single foil, not worth rushing up to upgrade. We will put this Instinct to use, Instinct X to use. Let's see if it fits. It's a different body style, so never hurts to try. But we will put this to use and see how it works. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we will be back soon with a review of the Instinct X. Also more unboxings. Like I said, I got some stuff from Babeless. I got some stuff from Wall. I got more stuff from Stylecraft. So it'll be some content coming. Also, I have more haircuts coming. Trying to build up the content and everything. So yeah, subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody so far. Peace.